Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to the construction site on Saturday. I've been hard at work today since the early morning, grinding away at the concrete here, the one that bulged out, the slab. Basically the guys, they cut off only a bit, but they left quite a bit sticking out. We have hired a contractor to come and do the thermal isolation on the roof here, and then we're gonna get another guy that's going to do the roofing, the hydro isolation. But first I need to prepare some things. One of them is cutting this out because after this step there's gonna be thermal isolations on the wall, and I want everything too much, and if I don't do it now this will never get done, right? Because I will lose access once the layers of the roofing are on here. So I'm taking this my last chance to do some work here. The plan is to cut this out, then put a little seam on this edge here with like a filler mass, and then paint all of the surface, paint the whole surface with the white stuff we used for the hydro isolation on the brick walls. It's like foil, liquid foil, something like that. So we're gonna paint everything here to make this waterproof, and then let the guy do his thing with styrofoam and then some concrete, and then the other contractor, the roofing contractor, will come and put some tar paper, and then we'll probably get the concrete again and then put some layers, I don't know, ceramic tiles, or maybe do some decking. I'm not sure yet, but that is the plan right now. And I've been cutting since the morning, and I've dulled my blade a lot. And this was a pretty expensive blade, and you can see the profile. The profile on it diminished greatly. It's because I'm not cutting very evenly, so I'm wasting this expensive blade, I'm guessing, because the edges are getting rounded off and the cutting capacity is reduced just to this little sliver here. So I picked up a new blade, and to give you an idea on the edge profile, let me go into this. It might be not as fancy, but right now it's pretty thick, right? So it's gonna cut better. And I got some advice from my neighbor Shimon from the building construction store. He basically told me, get the cheapest blade, I will do the job, because if you don't hold it super steady like a machine, you know, laser, extra super, you just thin the edges and will ruin it. So, and you don't have that much control in your hands, especially if you're a newbie like me. So get the cheapest one and replace them often, rather than the very expensive one which lasts a long time if you use it proper. But yeah, that's the idea. So I got the cheaper blade and we're gonna give it a try. Alrighty guys, that's about what I've been doing all day. I'm probably going to be doing this for another 1 or 2 hours, so I'll catch you later. I'm done with all the grinding. You can see here the results of the work. I've been grinding a bit and then chiseling and hammering a bit. And over here I got into the rebar. There's some rebar pieces sticking out over here. So I might put a little protective layer on here. Just, you know, so it won't go rusting away. I don't know. But I've got some repair mass for concrete, for reinforced concrete for these kind of situations. I'm gonna maybe apply some here. And I'm gonna call the mop-up crew to clean this up, my amazing mop-up crew. And yeah, then we'll do a little bevel on the edge over here and put up the white mass for hydro isolation, and we won't have any more problems with water seeping in. Yeah, so this is all done, and now I think it's time for some fika, as the Swedish homestead would say. Fika means some family time and some lunch or brunch or afternoon food. And my daughter is here calling me for some dumplings, right? Yay! Yay! Where are the dumplings? Take me to the dumplings. Pierogi, gdzie są pierogi? Tam? Let's go. After fika we got together with the family, all of us, and we washed out this deck over here, the slab, in preparation for putting on the hydro isolation. We washed away all the dust that was here. First my wife did a terrific job of removing all the loose concrete. I hammered off and sweeping, and then we just took a hose and washed it down. So once this dries, the surface should be clean, and tomorrow we'll start with putting on the edging and white hydro isolation. But now we got some friends coming over in a couple of minutes for a fireplace with some sausage. It's Saturday, so we're going to relax in the afternoon and finish this up tomorrow on Sunday. Alright, talk to you then. Bye.